Are you an energy sector investor looking for a new product that will allow electric vehicles to drive cross-country without recharging? If you are, then you will definitely be interested in the following information. If we begin with the supposition that all of our problems are solvable and that we want them solved, then it becomes hard to believe that the self-contained air implosion technology we will see in this video is not already in general use around the world. Hello and welcome to the Rockwell Energy Solutions channel, where we talk about air implosion technology and its potential uses. Air implosion technology has been around for a long time. In 1960, a man named Haskell Carl introduced the idea of an aerodynamic air turbine engine, also known as the AATE, which used air implosion technology at its core. Many years later, Haskell Carl met a man named Ron Rockwell of Rockwell Scientific Research, LLC. Ron Rockwell looked at Haskell Carl's engine design and saw great potential and possibilities. Rockwell agreed to build a prototype engine around the design and schematics of Haskell Carl's AATE. The results were amazing and well beyond all expectations. 4 years and $3 million later, Ron Rockwell delivered a fully functioning prototype engine now known as the Air Implosion Turbine Engine and later dubbed the Crystal Ion. In this video, we will discuss some of the potential applications of air implosion technology and the concept of an air implosion alternator for the electric car industry. One of the main challenges for electric car owners and enthusiasts has always been range anxiety and the need for frequent recharging. The air implosion alternator seems to address this concern by generating electricity while the car is in motion. It's a practical approach that could make long-distance travel with electric vehicles a lot more feasible. Also, by harnessing the power of air movement inside the air implosion turbine to turn one or multiple alternators to generate electricity and keep the batteries charged, we would no longer be relying solely on the charging stations powered by the grid to keep electric cars charged and running. This would be a big step towards making electric vehicles even more environmentally friendly. The science behind this technology is quite fascinating. The idea of connecting the air implosion turbine engine to an alternator to create the energy needed to keep the batteries charged while driving is a clever concept that harnesses natural processes in a very efficient and unique way. For people that rely on their electric vehicles for daily commuting, range is crucial. The air implosion alternator could potentially eliminate the need for meticulous route planning around charging stations. It's a practical solution that can make electric vehicles more convenient for everyday use. What stands out the most about the air implosion alternator is the promise of continuous energy generation while people are driving their electric cars, allowing them to drive longer distances without having to stop and recharge. The air implosion alternator addresses one of the major challenges and considerations that electric vehicle owners face. By generating electricity on the go, it would extend the range and reduce the need for frequent charging stops. That's a huge benefit. The air implosion alternator holds the potential to quietly reshape the landscape of electric vehicle travel. Not only will the electric car be able to drive farther without recharging, it will also mean fewer batteries will be needed in each vehicle to power it. This will reduce the vehicle's price tag, which means more electric cars will be purchased. Plus, since fewer batteries will be needed in each car, the strain on our natural resources to produce them will be reduced. And thereafter, fewer batteries will need to be disposed of, which will further reduce the strain on our environment. Here we see a picture of the working air implosion turbine engine prototype that Ron Rockwell designed and built and successfully tested, and that was also successfully tested independently by both JPL and Wiley Laboratories. The AATE you see here is assembled from the following component parts: the air directional vane for the vacuum pump, the air vacuum guidance system into the vacuum impeller, the front bearing housing, the rear support assembly for the vacuum pump, the actual turbine intake stator and driver built from the templates, the rear section of the vacuum pump. This distributes the air to the outer cylinder. This shows the sequence of development from blade templates to turbine rotary assembly. This was a very difficult design task to cycle the vacuum circuit for maximum performance. The end product, the Air Implosion turbine engine, is a magnificent, highly efficient machine. Its unique design and construction is classified top secret and under United States federal protection. There is only one person left in the world that has all the design drawings and component parts and who knows all of the intricacies of how the Air Implosion engine works and how to reassemble it. And that person is Ron Rockwell of Rockwell Scientific Research, LLC. Ron Rockwell is now accepting offers to purchase his designs and the components and can offer his expertise to help understand and reassemble the working Air Implosion engine prototype seen in the video and that was tested and verified by both JPL and Wiley Laboratories. If you are an energy sector investor or developer and would like to meet with Ron Rockwell to pursue this further, please email rockwellenergysolutions@gmail.com to set up an appointment. Thank you for your interest in this amazing air implosion technology.